A latex block submerged in ink becomes the brush behind bold designs, pressing intricate patterns into every piece. Two robotic arms wrap a tree's roots in rope with precise accuracy, securing it for transport while preserving every fragile root. Another robotic arm picks up bricks one by one, stacking them neatly onto a conveyor. A glimpse into the future of construction efficiency. A carousel machine produces multiple crepes at once. Each rotation delivers golden perfection, a hypnotic dance of heat and time. With a blend of human touch and machine precision, straw hats take shape. Woven tradition, gathering, industrial mastery. Aluminum sheets are cut with surgical precision, neatly stacked on a conveyor and sent for packaging, keeping pace with the rhythm of molten plastic manufacturing. Powerful material expands inside a mold to form a suitcase, inflated, shaped, and cooled into the perfect travel companion. Powdered materials are melted and molded into containers. A fascinating transformation from raw powder to finished product. Watch this continuous, satisfying process of industrial transport. Plastic cups roll off the assembly line in perfect synchronization. The machine molds and ejects them by the dozen. Blankets arrive vacuum-packed thanks to a compression system that folds and seals them into tiny boxes, ready to expand the moment they are opened. This is production, powerful vacuum systems, turning denim inside out for finishing. Concrete balusters are formed through rotational molding, cement spun around rods to achieve strength, symmetry, and impeccable detail. Watch as dirty concrete is cleaned in a single quick pass. An air compressor fires bolts into organized containers, testing even the smallest hardware. The benefits of intelligent automation. Thin layers of metal cut and coated with oil form the heart of a radiator. A process of thermal pressure and precision. Dual robotic arms, stretching and cutting dough into thin, uniform noodles, turning simplicity into mechanical. Cement powder is pressed into solid bricks in seconds, the simplest and most reliable way to build the world around us.